Hello Rahul, you're looking worried and tense?
Oh yes, I just can't study well.
What? What's wrong with you?
I don't understand how to write a report.
Report writing is one of the most important writing skill question in 9 and 10 standard.
Yeah, I know. That is why I'm worried.
I can help you in this matter.
I would love to learn from you.
Okay, let's see how to write a report then.
Writing skill. It is one of the most important writing skill question for 9 and 10 standard. Let's see what are the learning outcomes. Understand what writing assignment involves. Understand the functions of reports. Understand what makes reports effective. And lastly, demonstrate writing skill. Let's see what are the do's and don'ts. Do's. Make it relevant. Keep it concise. Keep chronology. Correct language. Now don'ts. Do not forget to give heading or a title. Don't forget the tenses. The tenses must be correct. You should not do any mistakes while using the tenses in the report. Spelling errors. Avoid spelling errors. And lastly, it should not be overcomplicated. So let's see how the question appears in your question paper. It is question number 6B. Read the following headline and prepare a news report on Republic Day, Independence Day, Maharashtra Day with the help of given points. Make use of following guidelines. So the protocol is the same on these days. On Independence Day, Republic Day and Maharashtra Day, we follow the same protocol. So you can use this video or this PPT for any of it, Republic Day, Independence Day or Maharashtra Day. So let's see what are the hints. First, the time you assemble, the arrival of the chief guest, the flag hoistation or national anthem, patriotic songs, the felicitation of chief guests, speeches and prize distribution, cultural programs, and lastly, sweets for students. These are the hints which we can use while writing the report. So let's see how to write the report in this video.
On a bright day in Satara, 9th English School embraced the spirit of Independence Day through a traditional celebration. The school grounds were abuzz with excitement as students gathered at 7:15 a.m., dressed neatly in their school uniforms. The campus was adorned with decorations, setting the stage for a memorable event. Taking charge of the program was Mr. Kale, who explained the day's proceedings to everyone present. The esteemed education officer, Mr. Patil, graced the occasion as the chief guest. His arrival at 7:30 a.m. was met with a grand welcome orchestrated by the school's band troupe and NCC cadets, leaving him deeply impressed by the respect shown by the school community. Accompanied by the headmaster, Mr. Main, and senior teachers, the chief guest made his way to the stage. At 7:45 a.m., the tricolor national flag was proudly hoisted by the chief guest, filling the air with patriotic fervor. Following Mr. Kale's orders, everyone saluted the flag and then united their voices to sing the national anthem. With the formalities complete, Esteemed guests, students, teachers, and parents took their seats. The celebration continued with heartfelt renditions of patriotic songs by students and the music teacher, showcasing their vocal talents. In recognition of the chief guest's presence, the headmaster presented him with a book and a sapling, symbolizing knowledge and growth. A highlight of the event was the mesmerizing display of discipline and coordination by the NCC students, Scout Guide students, and RSP students during the drill parade. Martial arts enthusiasts demonstrated their impressive skills, leaving the audience enthralled. The spirit of giving was also a part of this celebration. Teachers, social workers, and NGOs came forward to donate uniforms, books, notebooks, and other essentials to underprivileged students, spreading smiles and warmth. The chief guest graced the stage with an inspiring speech that recounted pivotal moments from our nation's history. This was followed by an equally motivating speech by the headmaster, which left everyone inspired and motivated. As the clock struck 9:30 a.m., the chief guest concluded his presence on the stage. To sweeten the day's memories, teachers distributed sweets to students and parents, fostering a sense of togetherness. In this traditional and meaningful way, a 9th English school illuminated the essence of Independence Day, fostering a deep appreciation for the state's history, culture, and unity.